Hello and welcome to Hello English. Today we're talking about something you'll use again and again in English, how to say nice to meet you. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time at work, at a party, or online, a friendly greeting helps you start the conversation with confidence. The good news? There are many natural ways to say it, depending on how formal, friendly, or excited you want to sound. Let's go through 15 of the most useful ones. First, the classic. Nice to meet you. Simple, polite, and perfect for almost any situation. Want to sound a little more formal? Try, it's a pleasure to meet you. Great for job interviews or professional meetings. For a warmer, friendlier tone, you can say, great to meet you, or good to meet you. These work well in everyday conversations. In British English, you might hear, lovely to meet you, or the slightly more polished, pleased to meet you. If you've heard about the person before, or you've been looking forward to meeting them, try, it's so nice to finally meet you, or I've been looking forward to meeting you. When you're saying goodbye after a first meeting, a natural phrase is, nice meeting you. For casual settings, like meeting a new friend or classmate, you can even say, cool to meet you, or glad to meet you. And if you're genuinely excited, maybe you're meeting someone you admire, go ahead and say, so happy to meet you, or what a pleasure to meet you. One extra note, in very formal British situations, you might hear, how do you do? And the correct reply, just say, how do you do back. That's it. You now have 15 friendly, natural ways to say nice to meet you, from professional to relaxed and everything in between. Try using one or two of these phrases the next time you meet someone new. The more you practice, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for listening, and happy learning.